so I had a little interruption there, but I'm going to finish up just kind of looking at the graphic organizer, and then we're going to do the examples on the back. So in a nutshell, these are the three things we just talked about. A union B looks like a U. Okay, that's everything in both sets, so putting them together. A intersect B, I almost think of this one as an N because intersect, so it kind of looks like an N. It's only what is in common with both sets, so just that middle section. And then a complement or not A is everything that's not in that set. So everything that's not in this set is this other circle as well as the outside parts, and we'll see some examples on the back for that. Okay, so this is the second page of that note sheet. I've just got some quick examples for us to look at, just applying those things. So on this first one, I go ahead and give you a Venn diagram, and we're just going to write down the elements in the set. So the first one says set H. So remember, H is this entire circle, not just these right here. So we need everything in that circle. So B, N, W, D, K, and V. Okay, so that's my set H. G is going to be the entire G circle. Okay, so everything in that circle. So X, C, H, B, N, W. Okay, so make sure you write down the entire circle, not just this outside part, which is usually a mistake I see. And then these were two of our notations. So this is the one that looks more like an N. So that's intersect, G intersect H. Okay, so where do those intersect each other? Where do they cross? What do they have in common? Which is that middle section. So B, N, and W. Okay, the U stands for union. So that's G union H. That's putting G together with H. So everything that's inside of a circle. So the only thing that's not included are these things on the outside. So all of these elements. So we have X, C, H. You include this. B, N, W. And then D, K, V. Okay, so that would be union is all of that. Intersect is just that middle section. Okay, and then our second example, we're going to actually use some numbers here instead of just writing things down. All right, so the second example already has a Venn diagram as well. So Jacob surveys people about if they like golf, handball, both sports, or neither sport. He created the Venn diagram for this data. So the numbers inside here just represent the total. So there's 14 people in this section, 7 in the middle, 5 in this section, and then there are actually some on the outside. These 4 on the outside would be the ones that represent neither. Okay, so letter A says how many people did he survey all together? So we need to add our number of people together. Okay, so we have 4 plus 14 plus 7 plus 5. And that'll give us our total number of people. Okay, don't forget these 4 on the outside. We haven't seen that yet. Letter B, how many people like golf? So the entire circle of golf, okay, would be the 14 plus the 7, which is 21. Okay, not just 14. These 14 mean they only like golf, but these 7 also like golf as well. Okay, letter C, how many people like handball? So the entire handball circle. So 7 plus 5, which is 12. Okay, D, how many people are in the G union H region? So golf or handball, or golf union handball. So putting those together. So that's 14 plus the 7 plus the 5, which gives me 26. Okay, so these people are representing anyone that likes golf or handball. Okay, they can like both or they can like just one of those, but they like either golf or handball. Okay, letter E says how many people are in the region G intersect H, so that looks like the N, so that's intersect. So that section where they cross each other, so that would be 7 people. Okay, and those are going to be the people that like both golf and handball. Okay, and then the last one, how many people are in G complement? So this means not G. Okay, so here's my golf. Okay, that entire circle. So if I cover up that circle, there's 5 people right here, and there's 4 people right here. So there are 9 total people, okay, that aren't in the golf circle. So those 9 people are going to represent the people that don't like golf. Okay, they either like just handball or they're outside and they don't like either sport. Okay, so as we went through these, go ahead and complete the practice that I've shared with you, and they should be pretty similar to these 2 examples. So if you need to go back and check on them, you're welcome to do that as well.